Look what I found. Look. Jeff, come here. Look at this. Look at this mess. Did you do this? Look. Bad boy. Bad Jeff. You know better than that. How many beds have you chewed up? I don't think you ought to come out. Uh-huh. Look. What did you just do? Now you've torn up a bed. You torn up a collar. It's a good thing you're going home. Look at you. Yeah, you ought to be ashamed. I'm going to send your mama this video. You need some anxiety pills or something. Look at you. Look at this. Look. Look. Look at this. Did you do it? I think you did. You know what that means. No, I'm not petting you. I don't know. You're going outside.